Every day, in wallets, bank accounts, and across kitchen tables nationwide, a silent struggle unfolds. This battle, woven into the very fabric of our numbers and dreams, is the challenge of financial wellness. It's a labyrinth of decisions where the walls are made of debt's suffocating embrace, savings goals that flicker and vanish, and the cyclical trap of living paycheck to paycheck, each end of month darker than the last. These aren't mere hurdles, they are formidable barriers disrupting life's stability and quality. Poor financial management casts long shadows of stress, binding futures with the chains of debt and missed opportunities. Yet, this story takes a hopeful turn. There exist solutions, clear paths leading to a life where financial choices empower and liberate. Together, let's explore these avenues to build a future grounded in financial prosperity. Shifting from the shadows cast by financial turmoil, we step into the light of transformative strategies. Crafting a prosperous financial future is not merely a dream but an attainable goal, with the right tools in hand. Budgeting, often approached with hesitation, is in truth the key to autonomy, making finances serve you. Saving transforms from mere conservation of earnings to the construction of a resilient safety net. Smart investing and strategic debt management also play critical roles. Through informed investment choices, your financial portfolio grows, securing both present and future. Tackling debts head-on allows us to gradually reclaim financial sovereignty. Together, these strategies don't just advise, they are the very pillars of financial wellness. They represent steps away from uncertainty towards a future unshadowed by financial stress. As we venture further, the practical application of these strategies in real life is our next focus, turning challenges into landmarks on the journey to financial security. On this path to financial wellness, the destination is a life marked by security, fulfillment, and tranquility. Embracing financial wellness steadies us amid economic storms, propelling us towards a future where aspirations evolve into attainments. Financial security lays the foundation for a life of confidence, buffering against life's unpredictabilities. The liberation from constant financial strain is a quiet yet profound victory, opening space for joy and creativity. Achieving financial goals brings our most cherished dreams within grasp, from homeownership to a tranquil retirement. This narrative journey sheds light on financial wellness's transformative effect, guiding us towards serenity, stability, and success. With the strategies discussed, our dreams are not merely distant hopes but vibrant realities awaiting us. Let's keep our sights on these beacons as we navigate the financial terrain ahead.